So we're back home. It's actually the next morning after our test. Last night we measured everything. We cut up on the ballistics gel and we took very good notes of where everything was. And we actually recorded it all, but that file got corrupted. And we've recreated from some still images that we had and from from the notes that we took, we recreated what happened. So I want to start over on this side. And this is the round that actually went the furthest. It's the PPU. It went 21.5 inches, and the copper jacket came off between 19 and 19.5 inches. It was sitting there right between 19 and 19.5. And it made a decent wound cavity. It wasn't as good as some of the other ones, but it was pretty good, and it was a lot better than just a ball round, a hard ball round. So then in second place we have, this is the Hornady FTX, and this, we tested this one last time. This is one of the ones we tested last time. It went 10.125 inches, and so we were very pleased with that. And then this right here, this is the Hornady XTP, and that round penetrated 9.625 inches and had a very good expansion. We'll give expansion later. And then this is the Buffalo Bore Plus P, 95 grain, and that actually went the least distance, had the least penetration. That was 9.3 inches, and it also left a trail of fragments, a little bit of the copper jacketing, and then some little chunks of lead in there that we found in its wound cavity as we cut it out. If I had to pick between these rounds, I would either go with the PPU, or I would probably actually go with the FTX. As you can see from the other pictures, so far as grouping and shot placement, the two Hornady rounds ruled. They shot by far the tightest groups about half the size of the Buffalo or the PPU, and this one had decent penetration, good wound channel on all three of those.